Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I went to Eskimo's blog and I found another one I never had seen before. It's called Circles on a Curve, and any curve it'll put circles of any size. So this would be a game changer if you were doing things like this and you wanted circles on the end of this stuff. So we go to convert it to a curve, so it's a curve. So you just go and you create circles, and then you can actually take them and weld them, and they would be like that. I mean, there's a lot of applications I can see for that. And you can change the size. You know, it doesn't have to be a particular line as long as it's a curve, and just make you in a line as a curve. So this time we'll only make them 0.5 inches, create circles, and it made little bitty circles on the end of the, and I am going to leave the link to the bottom on the bottom of video. But you can do things like that and then weld that shut, and you've got I mean, I can see the benefit to this already. There's some other options. You can do some colors, and you can actually change the width of the, if you wanted different circles, it's just play with it. I've just downloaded this. It doesn't take just a second. And let's go 1/2 inch circles. And then go back to, well, evidently that didn't work. I think you have to check specified width. So let's go 0.2. And then, well, we need to make a new line, and then it create. So now it made 1/2 inch thick circles. I don't really see why you would do that, but this, I can see the possibility on top of this if you ever needed to draw like that. And they're 100% free. This gentleman is way off the chart on his talent and making macros. So I'll put a video at the bottom of the link of the video, or I'll link. Thank you. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.